Oh, welcome to AMPRO. This short video will take us through contacts roles. Roles are used to restrict the items that you've allowed a particular contact to see. So, Tools, Control Center, under Permissions, select the contact you wish to restrict. Move down here to Assets, and you select the parent. For instance, we only want Brian to see aged care. Then when he logs in, this is all he will see. You do have the opportunity to add additional. So you might say that he can also see building 1 under facilities and a third one there as well. So if we just save this, and when we log in as Brian, so now that I've logged in as Brian, well, we go into assets, and you can see that he can see all of aged care, but only building 1 under facilities. Same go with jobs. You'll only see the jobs requests that have been assigned to assets in those particular parents. And that's setting up a role for a contact.